Let's go to label. So SPSS, call this label. So label here is actually a superpower. Okay, it's a superstar. Why it's a superstar? The reason is what you label here gonna appear, in SPSS outputs. When uh, you are done with everything with codebook, with checking data entry errors, you start data analysis. For example, you might want to know, the proportion or the percentage of male participant and female participant in your research. You want to know, the proportion of the respondents who reported um, you know um, rarely, never, sometimes, and frequently, you know for reading different types of materials, because this is what you want to learn. You want to find out in your study. You want to know which type of reading materials are enjoyed the most, or are the most popular, or the least popular among your research respondents. Okay, so every time you run data analysis, the label gonna show up, right? Gonna show up in SPSS outputs. So that is why I call it a superstar, because all the labels that you assign to gender, to student status, to age, to GPA, until to the last item, gonna appear in the SPSS outputs. SPSS outputs refer to the results that come from your data analysis that you are going to perform once you are done with uh, importing, with filling in the missing gaps here in the variable view that we are going to do, with after we are done with data entry error checking, and we are done with accessing the codebook and verifying whether we have made any mistake in the codebook. So that's why I call it superstar. Okay, but for me, it is a little bit strange to adopt the term label, but SPS have adopted the term label for a long history of SPSS. For me, a better term should be item, or statement, or question, for which each name here, right? Each name here stand, or to which each name here, okay, refer. For me, I won't adopt the term label. I would adopt the term statement, or item, or question, because label here actually refer to the question, to the statement, to the variable in your questionnaire, right? In your questionnaire. Okay. So how can we assign the label to each here, to each name? Well, it's very easy. We need to go to our research instrument, right? What we need to do is to go to our research instrument. For example, the first one, we can just copy. Okay, we can just copy this statement or the item. Let me copy 3 of them. Okay, let me go on, copy 4 of them. I copy 4. Now I come back to SPSS. I just okay, paste it. Student status, please indicate your student status. Age, please indicate your age. GPA, please indicate your GPA. It's very easy to do. So now we get the idea. So label basically means statement, question, or item already existing in your questionnaire. And the best way is to go and copy and paste them here. So another trick, you can actually resize, okay? You can resize the column so that you can see the full description, the full statement or question here. You can actually resize anything, right? It's works the same way as Excel or other application. Alright, so we are done with label, everyone. Okay, we learn how to add label by going back to your research instrument and copy paste. Alright, so I guess we don't have any question because it's so easy to do.